In today's fast-paced business world, data is everything. But how do you make that data easy to understand? That's where infographic charts in Power BI come in. Infographic charts use icons, shapes, and colors to make metrics stand out. They help you quickly grasp key insights, whether it's branch performance or payment methods, without needing to sift through endless rows of data. For instance, this chart highlights the top 5 branches by sales. You can instantly see that the leading branch holds 18.2% of total sales, while the lowest is at 8.99%. These metrics help you identify high and low-performing locations at a glance. And here, icons make it easier to compare metrics. The size of each icon and its placement visually represents performance. Whether it's product sales or payment preferences, the key trends are instantly clear. Infographic charts like these make it easier to spot trends and make informed business decisions quickly. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.